How can I want you for myself? Come on in, family. Come on in, come on in, come on in, come on in. How's everybody feeling? How's everybody feeling? Today, for everyone as you come in, all I need from you is a simple answer. I'm going to have another video to y'all by Friday, maybe Thursday or Friday. I'm going to have another video for you. I got a bunch of dope topics, been working, been getting to it. But let me ask y'all this. How was your day? Let me first ask you, how was your day? How is your day? Where you at? Wherever you at in the world. How was your day? I'm going to be going live on Instagram after this, getting those people involved in the stocks as well. Great. On the way to your last job. Great. How about you, Sesh? Just got off work. Day's going good. Okay. And yeah, so look, I'm going to keep this video to the point. The purpose of this video was to tell you what to do and how I learned from the best, because I'm not a world-renowned investor. However, I am ranked on tip ranks. I'm in the top fit. I'm ranked, 57,000th out of almost 600,000 people. We're off that. Okay. There's plenty of people smarter than me, and what I've learned from these people is that when they are emotional, how they deal with stress, how they deal. Why is this hair sticking up? If this is sticking up, don't worry about it. I'm not alfalfa. I had a basketball game last night. So this is how they deal with stress when they got outside influences going on, when the market is fucked up and red like today. Okay, so if the market was red for you today, the only way probably it wasn't is if you just got endless puts. So if the market was red for you today, please drop an emoji. Let me know. Drop an emoji, and I'm going to tell you exactly how I deal with and they deal with stresses outside and inside the market when it comes to trading. Just drop an emoji for me, y'all. Let me know. If the market was red for you today, please drop an emoji. Mine was mixed red and green. That's dope. I only have 6 stocks in Robinhood, so you know that's typically if it's one way, it's stuck. You dig what I'm saying? So mine was just red. I'm talking about pink eye, except for CSWC, which was amazing on the day. Okay, so a lot of y'all were red, right? This is how it goes. I was red too. This is exactly what you do. You got to remember. Ask yourself this question. Okay, when I'm stressed, I got some shit going on at the crib, I got some shit going on at work, the market is red as hell, everything's down, I don't know why. Well, guess what? The Fed just spoke. Guess what else? Should you trade when you're emotional? The answer is no. No. You don't trade when you're emotional. You don't do anything when you're emotional until you're in your right state of mind. So you know what I did this morning? I did work for my business to take my mind off of the stock market, to prevent myself from looking at the market, because guess what? We are the new retail investors. We are not quite day traders, but we're not quite the traditional investor that just invests maybe once a month or a few times annually. We are investors that are investing at our pace, which we check the stock market every day, numerous times a day. We are constantly investing in the market. So we are the new hybrid investor. But guess what? Every day you don't got to make a trade. I know this sounds foreign. Listen to me. I know y'all want to Shibu and always see something go to the motherfucking moon and see this thing go here. And you have to be real. If every single day shit is going somewhere, don't you ever think things are going to balance out? Don't you ever think shit's going to kind of settle? Don't you ever think shit might just marinate a little bit? Like it can't. Every single day cannot be, epic. You know what I mean? He said, I just got your Discord. I'm not sure what you're spelling. But yeah, on the Discord. For those of y'all also, all my new members that are joining the Discord, all you have to do is this. When you go to the Discord, let's start reading. Like if you purchase something, make sure y'all read the email they send you. I was guilty of that in the past too. So when you go to the Discord after you purchase, on the screen it says DM me on Patreon. That's the only way you can get my Discord, unless you get it for free. The only way you can get it is through Patreon. So if you're having any trouble, all it says there in all capitals on the post, just read the page, check it out a little bit, browse around. It's just going to say, hey, DM me on Patreon and I got you with the link and your setup. It tells you in the description what you're paying for, so everything is clean and concise. And I'm teaching this information, this calm, Zen-like strategy. We're talking about this on Instagram, TikTok, and guess where else? Discord. Okay? So again, remember, if the market is red for you, is red as shit for me. It looks like my portfolio has pink eye. It looks like everyone in the house farted on my portfolio's pillow, and then my portfolio just went to sleep with his eyes on it. It's red. But guess how I feel? Look at my face. I'm fine. Because we are the new hybrid investor. We are investing much more frequently than our parents ever did, ever thought of, our grandparents ever did or ever thought of. If they would have been as aggressive as we are, having what they had back then, they would be rich, even richer, even wealthier, I guess is what I'm saying. So here's the tip. When you feel an emotion, if the market's all red, it's all good. Look up on the charts. I have some charts set up here. I have the Bitcoin chart up in front of me. And it's showing me that Bitcoin is just going to tank. It's not tanking, but it's not going to go to that 69,000 that we were hoping for today, So I had to cut my losses. I took a loss on the Mara. Instead of holding the call endlessly, I took the loss. And if you look at the chart and know the thetas and the Greeks, you can go ahead and get some puts on that. I decided this is what I did to mitigate my loss. I got a SPY put, so I'm up a couple dollars on that. I think last time I checked it was 60 or 80 bucks. That's offsetting some of my balance. You can always get a couple puts, but at the end of the day, if you don't catch the put at its maximum peak, when I saw Mara going down, right then should have been the optimal time for me to get a put. Or even a couple hours ago, maybe 2 hours ago, I could have also got one. So it's just all a learning experience. And you just have to understand what the fuck you're doing. You don't got to trade every day. You don't always got to do something. Sit your ass down somewhere. Relax. Come back to it tomorrow. I'll be like, oh, okay. It wasn't on shit today. And then bounce back tomorrow when the market's actually fluctuating and going and thriving. You just remember, don't let this shit disturb your day. Don't let it disturb your peace, because it can fuck up your mood. Trust me. Because if you start your day looking at the market and the market is down, you're going to carry that over to your relationship. Whether you got a guy or a girl, or whether you DMing a chick, or whether you feel me, you go to work, you go to another business opportunity, you might have an interview. Now you pissed off that this money is down, and now it got you thinking about your money problems. And now it got you thinking about your finance problems. And now it got you you see how it's a trickling down effect? Just be cool. And just invest. Not every single day. Every day is not always going to be an investing day where you got to put a ton of fucking money into it. You just don't. I'm just being real with you. You just do not have to do it. And so with that being said, this video is light. Bitcoin is going down right now. The Fed spoke. All the stocks are going down. I'm sure people with even bigger portfolios, they're losing a pretty penny. But the good news is, always remember, when y'all get y'all option calls and puts, take your profit. I try to encourage y'all, take it every time. If you don't get the trailing stop loss or the limit order, take some profit. You hear me? So when you wake up in the morning and you see the stock about to tank or it's going down a little bit, sell it. Sell your option, your call. I'm not your financial advisor. You do what you want. I'm just saying this is what I would do. This is not in any way financial advice. You feel me? But I'm telling you, this is what I would do. Take my profit. So at least I take that little money home with me. It's in my buying power. And now I'm using their money to fuck around and do whatever else is left in it. I got caught holding the bag with Mara, but luckily I got out of Riot. My AMC put, I was actually profitable on that. Yeah, I was profitable at first. I think I might have made 40 bucks. AMC went up, and then guess what? It went down. So I just took my profit. So I just want y'all to come in with a clean mind. If it looks like it is shitty, it doesn't look like this often, but if it does like it does today, cut your losses and get out of there. I love y'all. Hope you have a great rest of the day. Just remember, you don't got to trade every fucking day. Like the video. I need y'all to share this video. Go check me out on TikTok. We are booming over there on TikTok. Shit is booming. My girl got 1 million views. I'm up there. I got over 120,000. So I need y'all support. Keep liking the video. Keep sharing my shit. I appreciate you. Okay. I'm gonna go talk to these people on Instagram. I'm doing random classes and pop-ups all throughout Instagram and shit on TikTok. So you're gonna want to stay tuned for that. I love you, and it'll be better tomorrow. I'll come live tomorrow and see how everyone's doing.